Daniel Kahneman's prospect theory. In everyday life, people often make decisions in situations where outcomes are uncertain. Whether it is investing money, choosing a job, or even making small daily choices, individuals constantly deal with risk. For a long time, traditional economic theories assume that people are rational and always choose the option that gives them the highest benefit. However, real human behavior does not always follow this pattern. To explain this gap between theory and reality, Daniel Kahneman, along with Amos Tversky, developed prospect theory, which provides a more realistic explanation of how people actually make decisions under risk and uncertainty. In simple terms, prospect theory explains that people do not think about outcomes in absolute terms. Instead, they evaluate outcomes as gains or losses relative to a certain reference point. This reference point is usually the person's current situation, expectations, or past experiences. For example, receiving a bonus may feel like a gain if it is more than expected, but the same amount may feel disappointing if it is less than what was anticipated. This shows that satisfaction is not only about what people receive, but also about how it compares to what they expected. One of the most important ideas in prospect theory is loss aversion. This means that losses are felt more strongly than gains of the same size. In other words, losing something creates more emotional pain than gaining the same thing creates happiness. For example, losing $100 feels much worse than the joy of gaining $100. Because of this, people are generally more motivated to avoid losses than to achieve gains. This tendency has a strong influence on decision-making and explains why people sometimes behave in ways that appear irrational. Another key concept in prospect theory is the value function, which describes how people perceive gains and losses. The value function shows that people are usually risk-averse when dealing with gains but risk-seeking when dealing with losses. For example, if given a choice between receiving a guaranteed smaller reward or taking a chance for a larger reward, many people prefer the safe option. However, when faced with a potential loss, people are more likely to take risks to avoid that loss. For instance, someone who is losing money in an investment may take bigger risks in the hope of recovering their losses, even if it increases the chance of losing more. The theory also introduces the concept of probability weighting. This means that people do not always understand or interpret probabilities correctly. They tend to overestimate small probabilities and underestimate large probabilities. For example, people may believe that they have a good chance of winning a lottery, even though the actual probability is extremely low. This explains why many individuals are willing to take risks for very small chances of large rewards. At the same time, they may underestimate more common risks, such as health issues or accidents, and fail to take proper precautions. Prospect theory helps explain many real-life behaviors that traditional theories could not fully understand. For example, it explains why people are often reluctant to sell losing investments. Even when it is logical to accept a small loss, individuals may hold on to the investment in the hope that it will improve. This behavior is driven by the desire to avoid the emotional pain of realizing a loss. Similarly, people may reject fair opportunities if there is a risk of loss, even when the potential gain is equal or greater. Another important aspect of prospect theory is that it shows how the way choices are presented can influence decisions. This is known as framing. For example, people may react differently to the same situation depending on whether it is presented as a gain or a loss. If a medical treatment is described as having a high success rate, people may feel more positive about it. However, if the same treatment is described as having a certain failure rate, people may feel more negative, even though the information is the same. This shows that decision-making is not only influenced by facts but also by how those facts are communicated. prospect theory has wide applications in different fields. In finance, it helps explain investor behavior, such as why people take more risks after experiencing losses or become overly cautious after gains. In marketing, companies use the idea of loss aversion to design advertisements that highlight what consumers might lose if they do not buy a product. For example, limited-time offers or discounts create a sense of urgency by emphasizing potential loss. In public policy, governments use insights from prospect theory to encourage positive behavior, such as promoting health awareness by focusing on the risks of unhealthy habits. The theory also highlights the role of emotions in decision-making. Traditional models assume that decisions are based purely on logic, but prospect theory shows that emotions such as fear, regret, and hope play a significant role. For example, fear of losing money may prevent someone from making a potentially beneficial investment, while hope of a large reward may encourage risky behavior. These emotional responses make human decision-making more complex and less predictable. Despite its strengths, prospect theory has some limitations. It mainly focuses on decisions involving risk and may not fully explain behavior in situations where there is no clear uncertainty. Additionally, individual differences such as personality, culture, and experience can influence how people perceive gains and losses. However, the theory remains one of the most influential contributions to understanding human decision-making. In modern society, where individuals are constantly faced with choices involving uncertainty, prospect theory is highly relevant. From financial decisions to everyday choices, people are influenced by how they perceive gains and losses. Understanding this theory can help individuals recognize their own biases and make more informed decisions. It can also help organizations and policymakers design better systems that guide people toward beneficial outcomes. In conclusion, prospect theory developed by Kahneman and Amos Tversky provides a powerful and realistic explanation of how people make decisions under risk and uncertainty. It shows that individuals are not always rational but are influenced by loss aversion, reference points, probability perception, and emotional responses. By understanding these factors, we can better understand human behavior and improve decision-making in various aspects of life. If you found this explanation helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to learn psychology and sociology in a simple and engaging way.